Okay, what I'm going to show you today is how to quickly import a resource list into Destiny Collections so you can share collections with your teachers easily. So the first thing you're going to need to do in the Classic Destiny is go to Catalog and then Resource Lists, which is where we are, and you're going to click Add List. So you're going to create a new list. So say you have some new books. So I'm going to do 18, 19, new nonfiction, and I'm going to do Garrett because this is a specific list of books. Go ahead and check, make it public locally and across the district. You can add a description if you want, and then go ahead and save that. Okay, so once you're there, click on the title of your list right there, and we're going to add to this list. So from this point is where you can easily go ahead and just scan all the books that you want to add to this list. So I'm going to scan a few of these. So there, I've added several different titles, and you can do this. And the key on this is you do not want to make a list of more than 100 items. Otherwise, you won't be able to import it into collections. All right. So now that I've done that, I have my list. I'm going to go back just so you can see that. If you want to view your list, you can. So these are the books that I just scanned in. I just scanned in 8 just for making it a little bit quicker. And then what you're going to do is go into Destiny Discover. Once you're in Destiny, you'll click on these 3 bars right here and go into Collections. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and go Private, and I'm going to click this plus symbol right here, and we're going to make my new collection. All right, and then right here at the very top, you have the choice to import a resource list. So you find that list that you just created, and there it is right there, New Nonfiction Garrett. Okay, and then you could rename it if you wanted to. You can give it a description if you want. I'm going to make it public because I'm going to share it with my school. If you want to put a grade or subject, you can certainly add that. For example, if they were specifically fine arts books or something for health or something, you could certainly add a subject. You can also specify grade levels if you want. If you want to add a different image, you can do that. So maybe you want, a picture of books, and then go ahead and click Create. And so it's going to take a little bit of time, and shouldn't take too long because there's only 8 books, but then it's going to populate your collection with those books. So there they are. So the next step to share that, you're going to click this little symbol right here, and you have to change your access so that anyone with a link can view. Okay, once you do that, there's that link. That's what you can copy. You can copy that, paste it in your S'more, send it out in an email, and you are good to go. So that's the quick and easy method of creating a resource list and then importing it into collections.